Taking charge of waste. How is waste created? We all create waste daily at home, school, and work. It comes from things like old clothes, tins, bottles, paper, fruit peels, plastic wrappers, and batteries. When these things are no longer useful, we throw them away. But throwing waste out doesn't make it disappear. It piles up around us, causing pollution, bad smells, and health problems. This makes us wonder, can we reduce and manage waste better? Can we do something about it? Yes. Each of us can help manage waste better. Around the world, people and communities have found smart ways to reduce waste and keep their surroundings clean. We can learn from them and make a difference in our own lives. Managing waste effectively. Waste management is key to a clean and healthy environment. Trash in public places and streets can harm animals like cows, which may eat plastic mixed with food waste. Burning plastic releases harmful gases, and rubbish piles can attract mosquitoes that spread diseases. Some places manage waste well by working together. Their efforts show us that teamwork and responsibility can solve waste problems. Keeping our surroundings clean and safe. Reducing waste. People reduce waste by using reusable items like cloth bags instead of plastic. Avoiding packaged food and drinks also helps. These small actions protect the environment and cut down trash. Reducing waste starts with each of us making better choices daily. Promoting a culture of reuse and sharing. Sharing old toys, books, and clothes with others gives items a longer life and reduces waste. Buying only what we need and reusing old things, like turning old clothes into cleaning cloths, saves resources. Wrapping gifts in newspapers or cloth is another eco-friendly way to reduce waste. Small changes like these help the environment. A place of pride in waste management. Some Indian villages and cities, like Silluk in Arunachal Pradesh and Indore in Madhya Pradesh, have become examples of cleanliness. Silluk, a zero-waste village, amazes visitors with its clean roads and neat spaces. These places show that teamwork and determination can solve waste problems and inspire others to do the same. The importance of separating different types of waste. Sorting waste is essential for good waste management. Green bins hold biodegradable waste, like fruit peels and leaves, which can turn into compost to help plants grow. Blue bins are for non-biodegradable waste, like plastic, metal, and glass, which can be recycled. Recycling saves resources and reduces pollution. By separating waste properly, we can keep our surroundings cleaner and create a better future. The impact of effective waste management. Good waste management makes communities cleaner and healthier. It stops pests, reduces diseases, and makes people proud of their environment. Keeping our surroundings clean. Days like National Cleanliness Day on 30th January remind us to keep our surroundings clean. Reducing waste, sorting it properly, and using reusable items can make the world greener. Waste management is a job for everyone. By working together and making small changes, we can create better communities and a healthier planet for future generations. Remember, want not, waste not.